Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find Facebook accounts or friends near you. To get started, you want to go ahead and log into your Facebook account. So once you're logged in, you want to click the three lines at the top right corner here. You want to scroll down and you want to click on see more. Right, want to scroll down until you can see nearby friends. Okay, you want to click on that. If you have friends that are near you, you'll be able to see them right here. So you can actually go ahead and invite all your friends to join the nearby friends. Okay, so you can see them. I'm not gonna wait for that to open. So for you to be able to see your friends that are near you, you have to send them an invitation. All right, just like this. Okay, so you ask all your friends to join the nearby friends so you can easily spot them on the map here. All right, so you can go ahead and see more friends. Well, that is basically how to find Facebook accounts near you, and if you have them connected to Facebook and nearby friends, once you open here, you're gonna see them here. As you can see, this is the area where I stay. Something else you can do is to find friends that are actually near you but are not on your Facebook friend list. You want to go back, and this time you want to look for market like Alright, I can see that right here. You want to go ahead and click on market. Like once you're here, you can actually see people that are selling things, but these people are within 2 kilometers. Okay, right here after Lagos, Nigeria, these people are within 2 kilometers. So we want to change this to at least 1 mile. Okay, so I'm gonna hit Lagos, Nigeria. And what you want to do is to make sure you set this to at least 1 mile. Okay, something like that. You want to adjust it until you can get at least 1 mile, because you want to find people that are near you but are not your friends so that you can make them your friends. Once you're done doing that, you want to go ahead and click on apply. What you want to do here is to look at the most recent post. I'm going to click this one. We're going to go ahead and select this, and you can see Ojote Fumelayo Anita. Anita posted this particular one, and she stays within 1 mile, and I can make her my friend by simply tapping the follow button here, and she'll be able to see me. So you also want to check this person. All right, this has been posted by Anene Anago. You can also go ahead and follow the person. This has been posted by Ayo Mikon, and you can go ahead and follow the person. Guys, this is how to find Facebook accounts or nearby friends on Facebook. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.